Silent sinus syndrome, also known as imploding sinus syndrome or imploding antrum syndrome, is a rare condition characterized by progressive painless enophthalmos and hypoglobus resulting from the chronic maxillary sinus atelectasis. The term silent refer to the absence of significant sinonasal symptoms. By definition, silent sinus syndrome is an acquired condition caused by chronic obstruction of maxillary sinus ostium, leading to negative pressure within the sinus that lead to inward bowing of walls and descent of orbital floor. Pathophysiology may be osteomeatal complex obstruction leading to impaired sinus ventilation, lead to negative intrasinus pressure, which lead to oxygen absorption and trap air, with progressive negative pressure develop and leading to maxillary sinus wall atelectasis and inward collapse of sinus walls and reduction of maxillary sinus volume that lead to bowing of the orbital flow downwards and increase the orbital volume. This may lead to silent presentation of enophthalmos, hypoglobus, or facial asymmetry. Classical CT scan findings are ossified or contracted maxillary sinus, inward bowing of sinus walls, lateralized uncinate process, enlarged middle meatus, inferior displacement of orbital floor, and increased orbital volume are the classical CT scan finding of this presentation, with clinical feature suggestive of progressive unilateral enophthalmos, hypoglobus, facial asymmetry, deep superior sulcus, and diplopia that is occasionally seen. These are the clinical features with absent or minimal symptom of mild nasal obstruction or occasional facial pressure. DDR, orbital trauma, Peri-Romberg syndrome, orbital metastasis, congenital facial asymmetry, and post-surgical enophthalmos are the DD. Management mainly involved endoscopic sinus surgery, mainly involving wide middle meatus enterostomy uncinectomy. And main aim of this is the to restore maxillary sinus ventilation and eliminate negative pressure. Now, question comes when to do orbital floor reconstruction. In mild to moderate cases, you should think about second stage surgery after 18 to 24 months. You have to give time for the pressure buildup inside the maxillary sinus and remodeling. If severe symptoms are there, you can do surgery at the same stage. First, you have to do endoscopic sinus surgery that lead to wide middle meatal enterostomy with transconjunctival implant or titanium mesh should be kept. And you can do with titanium mesh, porous polyethylene implant or patient specific implant can be designed by 3D reconstruction. So this is the treatment for silent sinus syndrome.